Welcome back to class. In this class, we're still talking about how to edit our videos like a pro using the video editors. So the first module I will be dealing with in this particular video is watermarking. So what is watermarking? Watermarking is putting something on your video that makes it difficult for anybody to steal it. So it's one of the ways by which you can actually customize your video. There are people that what they specialize on is to steal another person's work. So that's the reason why you need to customize your video. You have to make it difficult for people to just carry your video without permission. So there is a video I recorded which I will be using to teach you this. All right, there are two forms of watermarking. It's either you create a logo which you might probably have removed the background, like this one, for example. In Video Guru, I will just come to PIP. In PIP, I will go to my download. Okay, so photo. So I'll come to my download. All right, let me use this logo. All right, so you can see Prophet Sam Ogunshola. Wherever it is I want to put it, then I will zoom it there. All right, so you can see it. So then the next thing is the timing. How long and where do I want this logo to actually be? So I want it to be from the beginning to the end. So I will drag it to the beginning, and I will drag that green arrow also to the end of the video. I will drag it to the end of the video. The moment you get to any point around the video, it will vibrate in your hand. So it will show you that you have now gotten to the end of the video. So if I'm to play this video, you will see that the watermark is actually there.
3 skills that you must have as a woman if you're about to get married in 2023.
So you see that the watermark is there. If I like, I can drag it to the middle. All right, is my video. No, there's nothing anybody can do. All right, so I can take it back to wherever it is I want. So this is if you see some of these big radio station, TV stations, this is what they do. You see Emmanuel TV, Celebration TV, Trace TV, Super Sports. This is what they actually do. This is what they actually do. So whatever it is that you want to put, you can actually put it there. Then another thing that you can actually do again is you can have what we call text watermark. All right, so another thing you can actually do is to have what we call text watermark. In text watermark, you can just write something. All right, let me click on text. All right, text watermark. All right, so at least so that it will be difficult for people to steal my video. At least, even if you won't take permission, it will be obvious that you took it from my channel. So you can edit it the way you want. You can edit that text the way you want. You can change the color. You can change the color to black, or you can change it to white, as the case may be. You can change the whether you want it to look faint so that it doesn't affect the quality of the video. And at least then this one has like a background under, so I'll remove the background completely. All right, so I just want it to be a text. So anyhow you want it to be, and you can reduce the transparency by coming to edit it from here. Just reduce the opacity. All right, you see that it's faint. So anyhow that the video is, at the end of the day, if I export it, you see that faint color there. And you can also do the same thing on CapCut. You can do the same thing on CapCut. Let's quickly check how to do it on CapCut. Okay, so 5 minutes video, we still have time. So let's look at this one, watermarking. So you click on the video that you want to do. So you had it. All right. Another name for PIP is overlay when it comes to CapCut. So you add overlay. Then what I want to add is a photo. So let me quickly scroll through and find what I want to put on it. All right. So it will give you the same method. It will give you the same result. All right. So I reduce it here. I reduce it. I pinch it, then reduce it. All right. Doing the same thing. Come to the end of the video. I want to ensure that it comes to the end of the video. And guys, please, when you're using CapCut has an outro that they created by themselves. I don't know who sent them. So always ensure to remove that thing by clicking on delete. All right. So if you see, you will see that the watermark is there. If you want to do the text one too, you can actually do it on your own. All right. Watermark. So you can edit it to your own style from this place. You can edit it to your own style by yourself. All right. So that's the way to actually watermark. The second one I want to show you is subtitle. Now there are two forms of subtitle. There is the AI subtitle, which we'll be doing from this particular one. Now the AI subtitle works by giving you a direct subtitle of what you have said. For example, this is English. So if I want to subtitle from here automatically, I will click on this option, auto caption. All right, this option here. All right, that's what I'm going to click on. So I'll click on auto caption. Let's click on it. Now you can see different forms. English. The language I spoke in the video is English. All right. So, and I want English. So let's click on template. So whatever template you want, there are different kind of templates that you can actually have. So let me click on this white to green template. The moment I click on it, then I press start. So you allow it to regenerate by itself. It's already regenerating by itself. So 99%. You have to wait for it, and you have to ensure that your data is on when you are doing this, because without the data, it cannot generate the words that you have there, because it works with AI, artificial intelligence. All right. So it's about auto caption generated. So let's look at the video, and I want you to listen to the content of the video.
3 skills that you must have as a woman if you're about to get married in 2023.
All right, so those are the things, those are the words I actually uttered. So now you can edit it. You see that the subtitle is a little bit small, so you can edit it by yourself. All you just do is you click on the auto editing, then you come to batch editing. All right, now I'm clicking on batch editing first because there was an error. Anyway, let me increase it first. Let me increase it so that you can see the error there. So you can see that these are the different type of fonts, and of course you can do whatever, use whatever font, whatever type of templates that you want. You can see the different kind of fonts, the different kind of letterings. All right, let's see if we can change the lettering to this jovial. So I've changed it. Now see the style. Okay, so you can increase the size. So you can see the style, font. Okay, so you see there are different kind of fonts, many fonts that you may love to use there. All right, so let's see this. From this place you can increase the size, you can reduce it, you can give the opacity how clear you want it to be. The next thing you can do is effect. the artistic presentation of the subtitle. All right, so you can choose from this range whatever it is that you want it to do. If you want to make it artistic and dramatic, you are free to do it here. All right, I think my network is acting strange. All right, then you can choose the animation style. All right, you can choose the animation style. How do you want it to come? All right, so pop up. Okay, so you can see different animations, different animation styles that it can give to you, but let's stick to the one we are using. All right, so once we are done with that, you click on tick. So let's see the mistake.
3 skills that you must have as a woman.
Now, 3 skills that you must have as a woman. That's what I said. I didn't say 3 skills that you must ask a woman. I said 3 skills that you must have as a woman. So what do? I will click on the subtitle, that particular place. Then I will go to batch edit. So it means I'm editing in batch. That's what it means. So I will come here and I will click on it. 3 skills that you must have as a woman. All right, so let's see if it's corrected.
3 skills that you must have as a woman if you're about to get married.
You see that? You see that? So I can actually bring it in.
So this is to ladies that are filled with.
Now you see another error. I said filled, not filled. Filled. All right, don't mind my. Anything I just did here was freestyle. It's not something to take serious. All right. So I already corrected that. So you see.
Are filled with the habit of going to prayer mountain looking for husband, looking for this and looking for that.
All right. So you see that. So you have to learn to correct those errors. And then another thing is for me to make it a good video. I can actually crop it everywhere that you see space. You can actually crop them out. Anywhere that you see space, you can enlarge and embolden it so that you can cut it out. So that you can cut it out. So that at least you know that you number one, you will be able to save time, and then you just jump from whatever it is you are doing. Let's see the end of the video. Let's see the end of the video.
Ready for you. Subscribe to my channel. God bless you. See you in another one.
Now that one I'm serious. So subscribe to my channel. See you in another one. Really. So the second way by which you can actually subtitle is to subtitle manually. Now, this manual subtitle takes time. And I would suggest that if you don't use this method I just taught you, the only reason why you should subtitle manually is if you are dealing with another language. Maybe you have to translate from one language to another. Maybe somebody is speaking Chinese and you want to actually convert the Chinese language to English. Or maybe somebody is speaking Yoruba and you want to subtitle and translate to English so that somebody is watching the video will understand what is being said in the video. I have a couple of videos like that I did. People that share testimonies in our church, in the ministry and all of that. Some of them shared their testimony in Yoruba, and I had to painstakingly translate what they were saying to English. All right. So, and with that, what you have to do is, okay, let me use Cap. Should I use CapCut? Okay, let me go and use Video Guru. It's going to be, this one is obviously a long video. So, but I promise you, it's going to be worth it. 14 minutes already. So you see this one that I did. All right.
3 skills that you must have as a woman.
You see that? 3 skills that you must have as a woman. What do? Then I click on split. I split. So that one, I will put a word on it. All right. Let me add another text. 3 skills that you must have as a woman. All right, so let me increase that particular one. Let me increase it. Let me increase the opacity, font color. Let's increase the opacity. So I will bring it to where that word was spoken. All right, then I can edit it to my taste. I can edit it to my taste. This one takes time. Like, it takes time. You may want to do like a 3 minutes video. This one you can spend almost the whole day on it. That's why I wouldn't advise you to go through this stress. So let me drag it to the end of that place that I split. All right.
3 skills that you must have as a woman if you're about to get married.
You see, it did not translate into the next one. So if I want to do this one, I will have to.
If you're about to get married in 2023.
If you're about to get married in 2023. So that's all I need. So what do? Let me just copy it. Let me copy that one and then throw it to the other side. All right. You see? Then I have to drag it back to the end of that particular video element. So let me selector. If you are, I didn't even remember what I said, about to get married in 2023. Okay, so let's see the two translations.
3 skills that you must have as a woman if you're about to get married in 2023. So this is
all right. So those are the two methods that I can show you. So maybe you want to translate from Igbo to English, or you want to subtitle Igbo to English, Hausa to English, Yoruba to English, Swahili to English, Chinese to English, Korean to English, whatever language it is. This is you can only go manual. So in CapCut, you can actually translate some languages that are internationally recognized. All right, so how do you do that? You click on translation, then so you come here. So bilingual subtitle is for those that have actually paid for CapCut. So that's the professional version. So you select a language of secondary subtitle and you create your bilingual subtitle. This means that you can be speaking any of these languages even in the video, and it will auto-translate to another language. Chinese, Dutch, French, German, Indonesian, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Malay, Portuguese, Romanian, Russian, Spanish, Thai, Turkey, Vietnamese. So those are the languages that are available on CapCut for now. I hope you really got value in this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section, and ensure to subscribe to this channel for more. God bless you. See you in another one.